think about the pictures.
The boat's just a little too small to reach that.
Yeah, I think they've got that planned out. I don't think this is the first trip.
Now, another of us, this next bridge we're going to pass underneath is the Dr. Martin Luther King Memorial Highway Bridge. This is called the Veterans Bridge, dated back to 1952 and then later renamed to honor the civil rights leader. That bridge does mark the northbound section of the northern edge of the city, the original city of St. Louis. The city originally consisted where the arch grounds are today. This piece of land off the left was here known as the Lee's Landing. Now the landing over here gives you a good snapshot of what old St. Louis looked like. All the old brick warehouses, the cobblestone streets, that's pretty much what the arch grounds looked like before the arch was built. All these old warehouses built here along the river front to store all the goods coming out of the steamboats. This area here has been renovated to restaurant, bars, and office space.
This is all really cool.
It's what?
This is super cool.
Yeah, and oh, you thought it was gonna be all ocean or something?
Yeah, kind of.
Now looking off to the left, the rest of it is pavilion over here in the shoreline, these three piers out in the water. That was landing for the first casino on the St. Louis side of the river. There was an old riverboat called the Admiral that cruised here for years. In the 1990s, the boat was converted to a casino. The boat operated this spot here until about 7 years ago. It was replaced by a casino halfway up the hill there called the Lumiere Casino. It's in that white building.
Come out.
Attached to one green blue glass, which is the Four Seasons Hotel built here about 8 years ago.
I am.
Not to the very top of the hill above the building, there was a large dome building coming into that's now called American Center. It's part of our convention center. That was also home of the St. Louis football Rams for 21 years, and they moved back to LA here a year and a half ago.
I like this.
There's a trash can right there.
Aeroplane. Gotta get the zoom in on the aeroplane.